Okay, jump over there. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, so you stuck on it.
Are you alright?
So face towards me.
So, right, if you sit here and then when Jill goes underwater, you go underwater and look at the camera.
Ready?
Look at the camera.
Yeah.
Ready?
There's a camera, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Floater bomb.
Yeah, floater bomb.
Floater bomb.
So should we watch a Christmas movie tonight?
Yeah, Die Hard.
Die Hard 2?
Splash in slow motion.
Ready?
Go. Whoa.
Now,
Yeah, hang on.
did I do it?
Oh! You want to dive over it this time?
Number one.
I'll show you now. I'm going to hold this like a stick over here and you jump over it. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready when you are? Go. Cool. Go.
Jump over.
Okay,
Can I
I'll
see
do it.
my video? No.
Just now.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? Right, whenever you're ready. You're gonna taste it. Pull the apple. Whoa! That's quite untidy.
I just did a backflip.
I saw that.
Yes.
What do you want to do, eh?
We're having a
Are you okay?
Go to the camera. Look at you there. Look at you there. See you. Hello. See yourself. Who's that?
Me.
It's you. That's right. It's a little monkey. Is that
you
you?
little monkey.
Looking stabby. You right there? I'm a hold it.
Are you just a little bit tired?
Oh, yeah.
What's it?
This camera.
Yeah.
What's with a cuddle? You have to come and cuddle her in the water. Is that what you're saying? You got 2 chances today.
No, mommy, I want
Mommy, no.
You wanna hold it, bud? You gotta stand up.
What you got there? Ball. Woohoo. You got the ball. Thank you. See ya. Nice to meet you. Shall we?
I'm bring it over away from the stick.
Mama.
Okay, ready? Alright, go. Good try.
3, 2, 1. Mom, look! You've got to go that way. You've got to go that way. Towards the camera. Hey! Go towards the camera. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, now try stand.
And then if you're going to jump towards Jill and the camera.
Stand up.
That's it.
Hey,
That's it.
Using a bomb by jumping.
Yeah.
Yeah, just jumping.
That's a bomb. That's how you do a bomb. Super bomb.